Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to your home decor channel, Mimi's Glam Designs. Today is a special video. It is a Christmas DIY, but it's also a collaboration with a group of talented ladies. And this collaboration is hosted by my friend Josie at Light at 50 and Beyond. And I want to thank her very much for putting this collaboration together, for taking the time. Thank you so much, Josie. And don't forget, you guys, I'm going to leave the playlist to all the videos of all these beautiful crafts that these ladies made. With nothing else to say, let's begin. We'll be using a candy cane, and it is going to be a fur candy cane, as you guys can see here. These already started, so I'll be using one of these washcloths from the Dollar Tree. If you can find that, because they're a little bit hard to find, you can go right now, since it's Christmas season. They have these fur ribbons everywhere, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, so you can just get them there for half price of, it's the best time to get them. And as you can see, I already cut a piece that will fit this wreath. So I'm just going around it with hot glue, making sure that it's pretty tight. When it came down to the edges, it was super easy. I just went ahead and folded, and that was it. Just be careful that, because I burned myself a couple of times, since this is cloth and it's very thin, the hot glue, you can feel it a lot more. Then we'll be using this ribbon. This one is from Big Lots and it costs $4. And I want to give like the candy cane effect, so I'm going to go ahead and use this ribbon. First I was debating, but then I decided to go for it to add a little bit more color. And so guys, on this collaboration we had to make a Christmas DIY with $10 or less. That was the catch and the challenge. So I hope you guys enjoy these DIYs. For the top, I'll be using this star. This is an ornament from the Dollar Tree, and that's it. This is our wreath sugar candy cane, if you want to call it that. And I really love how simple it is, but at the same time it's very festive. It's very traditional. And the fur and the sparkles, it's just a combination of the winter wonderland, and it is the theme that I'm going for this year with my decor. What do you guys think of this first DIY? Leave me a comment down below. Is it something that you will make? It's super easy, why not? Moving on to DIY number 2, we'll be using the same washcloth that I picked up before. I just used another one, and I picked up this box. This one is in the party section. And so I just hot glue the top to make sure it doesn't move while the box is covered, and I added extra glue on the sides just for extra security. Then I went ahead and covered it just to cover the colors a little bit, because it was very vibrant and I didn't want to paint it. This way was easier. It doesn't have to be perfect the bottom, because it will be covered anyways. So I start applying hot glue. Just make sure that before you glue, depending on the size of your box, that you measure it before, and I already did that. That's why I'm just showing you the steps. Now when it came down to decorate it, I'm using the same ribbon that I used previously on the other DIY. Obviously, we had to stay on a budget, and it will make a beautiful set. That's what I wanted to go for. So for the top, we'll be making like a bow, and just follow the steps. I'm just cutting 2 pieces of the same size of ribbon. Just make sure that they're the same size so the ribbon looks even, or the bow. And we will be placing it on a diagonal shape from the ribbons that are already in the box, as you guys see here. Then I go ahead and remove this clip. This is a Dollar Tree flower, and it was a pig, like an ornament. So I'll be using that for the top. So we proceed to glue our ribbons, our little bows that we just made. And then we proceed to glue the flower on top. And here it is, you guys, this gorgeous gift box. It is so unique because we just made it ourselves. I really love the silver and the white and the combination to the other one. It is super beautiful. I'm so in love, and I wanted one of these for the longest, but they're pretty pricey, like $20, and I didn't feel like paying that. So I decided to make my own. And the total cost combined between these two DIYs was $10, and you can't buy this for $10 in the store. So this is amazing, you guys, to be able to craft and have beautiful pieces in a budget. I also want to thank Venus et Fleur for these amazing silver roses. They are real roses, you guys, and they last a whole year. Can you guys believe it? I really love the shimmer, and it's just perfect for a Christmas decor since I'm going for the Winter Wonderland theme. Like I said before, they're just gorgeous. Like, I can't even believe that these are real roses. So I'll be leaving a link, guys, on the description box below. This is a perfect gift for the holidays, and these flowers don't die, so that's the best part. Also, make sure to check the playlist, you guys. There will be amazing DIYs here, so get inspired and watch them all. I'll be leaving that playlist on the comments and also on the description box below. If you're not part of my YouTube family, guys, I would love to have you here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the right side of the screen, or go to my homepage and just subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and also connect with you on my Instagram at Mimi's Designs, at Totally Glam Decor. It is just easier to talk there and become friends. This is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. You being here means the world to me, and stay tuned because there's more Christmas DIY coming. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.